Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Blytech256 Technology in your hands. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos. In this video I'm going to show you on how to monetize your YouTube channel. So I will demonstrate using my YouTube channel, and so you just have to sign in using your account that you use for YouTube, and then you go in the right corner, you go to YouTube Studio. So you will be redirected to your YouTube Studio, and then we are going to first check if the YouTube channel is eligible to get monetized. So you just have to scroll down right here, and then you have to look for monetization. So you click on this monetization. Okay, then your YouTube channel must have got 1000 subscribers in the last 12 months and 4000 watch hours. So I have already got that, the subscribers and the 4000 watch hours. So you'll be able to get this button right here, the apply now. So you just have to click on this button, apply now, and then you'll be redirected to this page. So you have to read through their terms and conditions, the agreement. So you click start on step number 1, and then you read through after, and you click I accept, and then you click accept and continue. Okay, after step number 1 getting done, you wait for it to get done. Okay, and then you go to step number 2. Yeah, this one is done now. You go to step number 2 to sign up for Gogo Adsense. You click on start. Okay, and then you click on this icon right here down. So if you don't have a Gogo Adsense account, you click on no, I don't have an existing account. If you have, you click on yes, I have. So I don't have, I'll click no, I don't have an existing account. Then you click on continue. Okay, then here you select the account linked with your YouTube channel. So let me select this is my account. Okay, and then we shall be redirected to the Gogo Adsense. Okay, so right here you can see this is the YouTube channel, the link. So here you click on yes, then you scroll down, you select your country. So I'm in Uganda. I will be selecting Uganda. So let me select my country, Uganda. Okay, Uganda, here it is. So you select your own country. So I'm in Uganda, let me select Uganda. You scroll down, you accept the terms and condition. You click I accept, yes, and then you scroll down, you click on create account, and then you'll be redirected to the Gogo Adsense dashboard. Okay, so here you have to edit. Okay, here you click on next. This is how your ads will be looking on your YouTube channel. This is just a quick guide. You click on get started. After that, here you click on edit. You have to put your physical address in order to receive the Google AdSense mail. Okay, so here you click edit. You have to put your own physical address. Okay, so let me put mine. You have to put your real names and then the address, your real address. After that, you click on submit. Okay, and then that we are done with that. After that, you just have to click on this redirect, and then you go back. So here we are done with step 2. It will be in progress with few days, and then this process, step number 3, YouTube channel will be reviewing your account. Okay, Thank you guys for watching. Please like and